Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei P30 Pro, and I'll show you how to enable night mode. So to get started, there is actually two different ways we can do it. Number one would be the eye comfort, which you have an icon right here, and you can either tap it or hold it to go into settings of it. So when I hold it, you can either turn it on and choose how strong it is, or you can go into schedule and have it start at a specific time and end at a specific time by just tapping and selecting the hour you want. And the other method, which would basically turn everything black, is going through settings and going into battery and darken interface colors. So you can check that on. And as you can see, everything just went black, and it also helps preserve the battery because of the screen. When on the screen, black isn't really being used, so whenever you have basically black background, the phone doesn't need to light up the pixels behind it, and also helps basically with the battery because of it. So those were the two ways you can enable night mode. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.